Hey there, today I'm going to be recreating this Clay tutorial, which is about generating messages that reference open jobs. Here is my Clay table. I've just chosen two random jobs, found these jobs on Indeed. They're both accounting type jobs. That's like what I recruit for, and found those jobs on Indeed, then just pulled their sites. And then I ran this find open jobs integration in order to actually find the jobs. So this uses the predict leads account. It bases off of the company domain. I did filter for job title because, like I said, I focus on accounting and finance. I already know these companies have accounting type roles. Didn't put any additional filters in here. I just kind of focused on those things. And then sure enough, they did find the jobs. So by clicking in here, you can actually see this is the job that they found. It's got all of the details here about the job and the description, salary data, all of this here. So then I tried doing what they do in the tutorial to generate this text. And I did use the exact prompt that he uses here. I did not find good success with this. So I wrote word for word he has in here. You're an assistant helping me write emails, et cetera, et cetera. And what I found was that prompt, it was very generic. So that prompt, which I'll show you here, summarize what they are hiring this role to do, output a sentence that starts with, it looks like you're hiring something who can, ... keep the job output to under 8 words. Okay, so I tried that and it did work, but it just came up with super generic lines. Like this doesn't really add any value or relevancy to the email. So then I decided to try harder, see if I could find something better, which is, I actually went to Chat GPT. There's a GPT built, it's Clay GPT Prompt Builder. It's been super helpful for me, and I really recommend it if you're kind of like me, a beginner. I'll put the link to it in the description. But essentially, I then tried to make some edits here. So I'm asking it to carefully read this job description, find out what requirements and qualifications the role needs, technical skills, industry experience, the main responsibilities and goal are, and then use that to write a specific sentence. And it gives a lot of examples here, which I think was helpful. I like that you can actually try this, like the preview part here, and you can kind of try it. I know a lot of people are very concerned about Clay credits. Personally, for me, like I'm just actively trying to get better. So I'm not that concerned about my credits right now. I'm kind of just trying to learn. If you are really concerned about credits, I think this refresh preview is like a good thing to try and do. So you can see this is going to be like a lot more detailed than these ones were, where it's like, it looks like you are searching for someone with expertise in accounting, financial reporting, financial analysis, maybe a little bit wordy there. And I think that was actually my feedback for it. So then I went and tried again, and I think it's going to be less wordy in here. So again, I use the Chat GPT prompt builder to build this prompt. I'm going to be really specific about what it's looking for. And I think I've actually gotten a pretty good response here. So you can see this one says, you're looking to hire a senior accountant with financial reporting and payroll experience to drive accuracy in accounting processes using Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains. Like, I think that's a pretty good sentence. This one is, you're looking to hire a senior accountant with distribution or manufacturing experience to improve accounting efficiency and accuracy. Like, these are a lot more detailed than this one that was just kind of a nothing burger. So let's try it. I just pulled this job from Indeed. So there's a kind of controller field finance role here. And let's go ahead and put we'll take this website domain. I'm going to put that in here. No jobs found. Oh no, no jobs found. And you know what? I think it's not finding the jobs because this is a controller job. It's not an accountant job, but let's see what it did find. Cost accountant. Okay, so it's not the same job, but it is a job. We're going to go with it. We can see they're looking for a cost accountant here. Bombs. Okay. SAP is preferred. So let's see what the AI can do. I'm not going to run these ones because they're the bad ones. I am going to run this one. Some input is missing. Oh no. Okay, and you know what? I think what the issue is here is that excuse me. Okay, now it's still saying the input is missing. So let's see, it's got this one, and it's description. Oh no. Okay, so this is the description, but it's not pulling for these other ones. So I think it's going to work for the one that I want it to work for, but it's not going to work for all of them. It's not going to work for this one. It looks like it is. Okay, but it did work. And this is really great. It looks like you're looking to hire a plan to cost accountant with manufacturing cost accounting experience to improve operational efficiencies using SAP, which I think is honestly like, that sounds like I read the job description. So what I've learned here is that you need to be really kind of more specific about prompting. And I think you need to think about the input, like what, if you were actually reading it, what kind of a sentence would I actually come up with that I would actually put in an email, and then try to prompt the GPT to like find that. And obviously with the waterfalls, I think I need to understand better about if it doesn't find it everywhere, like where will it go? So it probably needs to be this one, honestly, that merged field. I think that would be it. So I learned a lot doing this tutorial, definitely going to improve the way that I prompt moving forward. And this is actually a workflow that I probably will use because I am a recruiter looking to find new clients. Thanks for watching. If you are learning Clay, I would love to connect with you. Connect with me on LinkedIn, message me here on YouTube. Let's learn together. Bye.